Hepatitis virus. Hepa means liver. Itis means inflammation. Inflammation of liver. This can be due to many viruses. Hepatitis A, B, C, D, E and G virus, cytomegalovirus, yellow fever virus, herpes simplex virus, rubella and enterovirus. Drugs or medicine also causes hepatitis. Here we will focus hepatitis virus. There are same group but different family. Clinical symptoms. Initially it will cause nausea and vomiting. Later it will cause jaundice. Jaundice means that serum bilirubin level will increase. 2 mg per deciliter. Now we will focus on hepatitis A virus. Short form it is called HAV virus. Common name infectious hepatitis. It will comes under the family of picornavirus. Genus hepatovirus. These virions are isosahedral non-enveloped single stranded RNA. Stability, heat and acid stable. Main route fecal-oral route. Rarely in sex and blood. Then pulmonary disease rare. That means liver failure is rare only. This virus commonly occur in poor hygiene and sanitation. So what is hepatitis A virus? Commonly called infectious hepatitis. Picornavirus, genus hepatovirus, isosahedral non-enveloped single stranded RNA virus. Male transmission fecal-oral route. Now how this virus transmitted one person to another means from infected person or indirect contamination of food, water, hands and cooking utensils. It will transmitted one person to another. Then what are the symptoms it will cause? Vomiting, nausea, yellowishness of eyes, skin and urine. It will causes diarrhea, pale stool, abdominal pain, fatigue, chills and fever. These are the symptoms will caused by HAV virus. Laboratory diagnosis is very important one. First one is we will detect anti-HAV antibody detection. First one is antibody detection. We know the standard first IgM antibody appear. When it will appear? Appear during acute phase. Later only IgM antibody appear. Then next week only IgG antibody will appear. IgM antibody, the peak is appear after the 2 week of liver enzyme elevation. When it will appear? 2 week of liver enzyme elevation. We can also detect liver enzyme. What are the liver enzyme? 2 different type of liver enzyme. ALT, alanine aminotransferase and aspartate aminotransferase. This one will appear 2 week of jaundice, then disappear 3 to 6 months. I already told IgM antibody appear after a week of IgM. So result interpretation, IgM positive indicate acute infection. IgG positive means forced infection or recovery. No IgM means forced infection or recovery, similar only. So first one is antibody detection. First IgM antibody appear. When appear? Peak time. Peak time means that liver enzyme elevation. That time only it will appear 2 week of jaundice, disappear 3 to 6 months. So result interpretation, IgM positive means acute infection, negative means post infection or recovery. Then second one is how we will detect this antibody by using ELISA, and nowadays many rapid tests available. By using ELISA and rapid test we identified that antibody. Second one is detection of HAV particles, that means antigen detection. We know this one is the fecal-oral route transmission. So we will take stool samples as well as liver, bile and blood sample. By using electron microscopy we observe that antigens. So antigen detection we will collect a fecal-oral route. So stool samples. When we will collect? Before or after 2 week of jaundice. Also collect liver, bile and blood by using electron microscopy. We observe that antigen. HAV antigen detection, stool sample, ELISA from 2 or next 2 weeks of jaundice can detect HAV antigen. Then virus isolation, very difficult to grow in cell line. So next one is non-specific binding. Non-specific binding, first one is liver enzyme elevated. We know already two type of enzyme, alanine aminotransferase and asparagic aminotransferase. Then elevated serum bilirubin level, normal range 0.5 to 1.5 mg per deciliter. Above to indicate that patient was affected from jaundice. So fifth test, non-specific binding, it have two different method, liver enzyme elevated and serum bilirubin level. Serum bilirubin level above 2 mg per deciliter means indicate jaundice. Then this one is acute and self-limiting condition only, our body only heal. So prophylaxis, post exposure